In this video, you'll learn how to add emojis in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to enhance your Notion pages with emojis to improve organization and visual appeal. Start by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address notion.so in the address bar. Wait for the page to load completely before proceeding. Once the Notion homepage appears, you may need to sign in. If prompted, enter your credentials and click Sign In to access your Notion workspace. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid delays during this process. After successfully logging in, you will see your workspace. To create a new page, look for the Add a Page option in the left sidebar. Click on this option to open a blank page where you can begin adding content. With the new page open, click on a blank space within the page. This action allows you to start typing or adding elements to your page. Next, type in /database to open the database options available in Notion. When the database options appear, click on Database Inline to insert a new inline database into your page. This will create an area where you can organize your content further. After the database is created, click on a blank space again within the database area. This prepares the database for new entries. Then select New Page from the options that appear. This will create a new subpage within your inline database. Now, type in page 1 as the title for the new page. Click on a blank space again to ensure the title is set. After that, locate the icon next to page 1. Click on the page 1 icon to open the page settings. Once the settings are open, look for the option labeled emoji. Click on this option to access the emoji selection interface. A menu will appear displaying various emojis. Browse through the available emojis and choose one that fits your needs. After selecting an emoji, click on the Add icon to confirm your choice. Once you've added the emoji, you can repeat the process to add more emojis as needed. To do this, click on the emoji option again and select a different emoji from the list. After choosing another emoji, click on Add to include it in your page. You can continue adding emojis until you have the desired visual representation for your content. Finally, click on a blank space to exit the emoji selection mode. This ensures your changes are saved and you can view the final result on your page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.